For this project you will need 5mm braided cord, scissors, crocheting hook, some glue if you want to secure the ends of the cord, and ring. I used a ring in diameter of 23 centimeters. Inner is around 16.5, 17 centimeters diameter, and it's around 3.5 thickness. Let's fold in half cotton cord. With lark's head knot we attach to the ring. Make sure that the free cord facing inside the ring, and then we use half hitch knot for each side. And the same we do with all the rest of the cords. Continue with all the cords till the circle is fully covered. That's how it looks when it's all completed. Turn around so that this stays down. Let's take 3 cords. The right one goes under and through. It's half hitch knot. Right. Leave it aside. Now these two, add one more. Right one goes under and through. Make it tight. So you start to see here's braid, and try that the knots not going up, but not to have too big up here. So just pull this cord, right? And continue the movement. Already lovely pattern, right? And we ended up with 2 free cords, last ones. So we need to connect this so it seamlessly looks the same as continuous pattern. Take right cord, put under, and now we need to hook it through here, right? through the loop. And now the same we need to do with this. It goes under, right? And we need to get, so this one, here's the 2-second. So let's take from this side 2 hooks. And through the loop. And we end up with a nice continuation, all braid together. Now we continue the same pattern. We take 2 cords on the left, 1 on the right, under, and half each hook. And let's continue all the way, 1 more round. And 1 more round is done. Looks lovely. And we end up again with 2 cords, last ones, and do the same. Under, right, and now we need to get through here. And through this loop. And now the second cord, it still goes under this and here, right? And through the loop. Here. Continue with the pattern more again and again till we finishing till here, right? But now, because we need more wider, we don't make the loop so tight anymore, so that it can come nicely overlap, right? Now we try not to make too tight this loop. Now it's a bigger than previous rounds, right? We still make close to previous line. This one we tied. Now we see the nice braided pattern is on top of the outer circle and no more inside but on top. And we keep doing this till we end up one line, another line, more lines. Keep going. I just love this pattern, it looks gorgeous. So far I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows of the braid. Now when we are already kind of in the other side, right, of the half of the circle, we can start to have the loops already more tighter as well, so it's nicely closes our circle and looks gorgeous from the side. Continue like this all the way around, and you see it's already nicely going down, right? Making this shape like this. So we have done good job. It looks really nice. And let's secure now our ends. And what we do, let's take pull them under so they are tight, right? But don't take in front, take one. If the line is like this, if the rope goes line like this, then you take the one other way. And pull it so it makes nice secured, and continue every cord. So now all the ends are secured. Let's cut them off. And if you wish for extra secure, to be extra secure that all the ends doesn't go out, you can just secure them with a glue so they stay nicely in a place. I secured all the ends, put the glue under. I use the glue gun because I like it's more faster to secure. And have a lovely wrist. Red is, and have a lovely red is ready. I'm in love with this button. What do you think?